Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you're watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we will discuss MSc Statistics and Aligarh Muslim University. So, in this program, if you pursue this course, so you will study the statistical theory, data analytics, computational techniques, and you will learn under the experienced faculty and university provides the laboratories, computer resources, and research facilities to support hands-on learning. Curriculum and courses offerings. The core courses are here. This is probability theory, mathematical statistics, linear modeling, computational methods. Electives are here: biostatistics, econometrics, and data science. You can choose any one of them, and research projects are also given by the faculty supervision, and you will do in the under supervision. Faculty and research expertise is renowned researchers, collaborative approach, cutting edge publications. The department features faculty members with extensive experience in statistical model. Professor encourage students engage in interdisciplinary research, and faculty members regular publish their work in prestigious international journals. So, what is the eligibility of this? You have should have a bachelor degree in statistics or mathematics. An entrance exam is also conducted by the this university, which is AMUET, with a satisfactory score. Final selection is based on the this test and after the personal interview. Data analytics, what are the career opportunities are here? So data analytics, economic and finance, healthcare, biostatistics, and AI and machine learning. So these are the some demanded job opportunities for the MSc statistics are here, and student life and extracurricular activities are here also. Student organizations, research symposia, and campus life. So student organization here, the active statistics data analysis clubs that organize events, workshops, and hackathons. Research synopsia is opportunity to present research findings and network with industry professionals. And campus have vibrant cultural events, sports facilities, and recreational activities to foster a well-rounded student experience. So MSc is a statistics program at Aligarh University, an excellent choice for aspiring statisticians and data scientists. For more information, you can contact on the our WhatsApp number and also the Department of Statistics of Aligarh Muslim University at email. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.